Welcome to Dragon Horde Gaming. Today's video will be opening up a Kamigawa Neon Dynasty Commander Buckle Up. Alright. Alright. Yeah. Where's the... There it is. Wait, what? Okay, this is kind of messed up. There we go. Alright, we got our card here. Kotori, Pilot, Prodigy, face card. Second commander is the first vehicle commander. Sorikai Genesis Engine. And we got cards they pulled from Kamigawa there. Oops. Excuse me, I got a real bad allergy attack coming on here. Okay, Goldmere and Silvermere. Okay. Oh, wait, was that? Yeah, that was. We got a Aerial Surveyor, Drumbellower, Iron Soul Enforcer, Organic Extinction, Release to Memory, Swift Reconfiguration, Access Denied, Cyberdrive Awakener, Imposter Mech, Kappa Cannoneer, Katsumusa, the Animator, Research Thief, Universal Surveillance, Surge Hacker Mech, Cataclysmic Gear Hulk, Indomitable Archangel, okay, Parhelion 2, Shram Senior Artificer, Tessar Ancestral Apostle, Emery Lurker the Lock, Jace Architect of Thought, Master of Ethereum, Psy Master Thopterist, Thopter Spy Network, Dance of the Manse, Hana Ship's Navigator, Cultivator Caravan, Mirage Mirror, Peace Walker Colossus, Sovereign Consul Flagship, Smuggler's Copter. Okay, and a Solemn Simulacrum. There, and then we on to last of the vehicles, it looks like, the Weatherlight. And then we got Exotic Orchard, Fort Town, Prairie Stream, Sky Cloud Expanse, Spire of Industry, Temple of Enlightenment. And then it goes on to the basic lands. Yep. And our face card etched. Ooh, these cards really have a strong smell to them. Chemical factory smell. Get our Angel Token, Flying Vigilance Angel Token, Elephant Mirror, Spirits, lots of Spirits, some garbage, and oh, that is a very cool looking Thopter token. Origami Butterfly Thopters. Mirror, Pilot, Angel, Elephant. Alright, well that was the Buckle Up Commander deck from Kamigawa Neon Dynasty. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like, share, comment, subscribe. Good luck in your openings, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.